Welcome back. Justice Anuja Prabhudesai was felicitated for being elevated to as Justice of High Court of Bombay. Chief Justice of Gujarat High Court Gurdas Kamath felicitated Justice Anuja. She said judiciary is the hope to the people for justice. She was felicitated by the management of Kare College of Law.
In my own humble way, I will try to contribute in whatever manner that I can by maintaining the dignity of this institution, by knowing that this institution is an institution which is larger than life. It is when we are aware of this fact situation, I don't think we can do or even think of doing any act which will cause a dent to this institution.
We have about 4 sitting judges today in the High Court. We have Justice Margaret, Justice Raj, Justice Sona, and Justice Ryabova. So out of the strength of 60 judges in Bombay, if you have 4 sitting judges today, I think it's a good going. Why do we, what is the justification now for a separate High Court or for anything? I think all those ideas must go. And we should look forward for more editions.
India won the table tennis in girls singles. Indians defeated Kazakistan. Indian S. Mukherjee beat Kazakistan's Ryabova by 3-1. However, India lost to Hong Kong in men's singles. In men's singles, Hong Kong's Lam Su Hang defeated India's A. Yadav by 3-0 at the Shyamaprasad Mukherjee Indoor Stadium on the Taleigao Plateau.
International Table Tennis Federation in collaboration with the SAG had organized the Road to Nanjing Championship and Global Junior and Cadet Championship. Girls single table tennis was played between India and Kazakhstan. In a match of 5 sets with 11 points, Kazakhstan won the first set by 11-8 points. Second set by 11-9, India again won the third set by 11-9, and lastly India won the fourth set by 11-2. S. Mukherjee of India beat Ryabova of Kazakhstan by 3-1.
Road to Nanjing is a qualifying tournament for the Youth Olympics, which will be held in Nanjing in August this year. Only one player from each country can participate in this tournament. There are 8 countries which are participating in this tournament in the boys and the girls section. Only 2 players will qualify for this Nanjing tournament. The second tournament is a Global Youth Championship, where there are 10 countries participating. In this tournament there will be cadet singles and junior singles, cadet doubles, junior doubles and team championship. The cadet singles is under 15 years, and juniors is under 18 years. Gone 4 players will also be participating on behalf of India for this championship.
Meanwhile, in men's single table tennis, Hong Kong defeated India by 3-0. It was a straight set match. Hong Kong's player Lam Su Hang defeated India's player A. Yadav by 2-11, 7-11 and 1-11. Devendra Gaukar for Prudent.
And with this we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.